title A Walk in the Woods, in the middle of the forest. The 4 children are lost in the woods and are looking for their way out. Miss V. Worried we have to find a way out of here quickly. It is going to be night and there may be wild animals here. Muhammad. Don't worry, we will find a solution together. First, we need to look at where we came from. Ahmed. Looking at the leaves and trees, I had seen this tree before. Maybe we should go that way. Zainab. Shocked. Well, but we must also leave a sign so that we do not forget the way. We can put stones or leaves. Scene 2. Trying to find a way. The 4 children proceed to the forest and keep the stones as signs. Asterisk asterisk Miss V. Asterisk asterisk happy we should go to a higher place so that we can see which part of the forest is closer. Muhammad. There is a large stone there. We can go up there. Ahmed. I have reached the top. There's a river there. Maybe we should follow the river. Rivers are often populated. Zainab. That's a great idea. You can also drink the water of the river and we will also find the right path. Third view, on the bank of the river. The 4 children reach the bank of the river and start walking along the flow of the river. Miss V. Drinking the water of the river. This water is very cold and sweet. We don't feel too tired. Asterisk asterisk Muhammad. Asterisk asterisk while walking on the stones we have to be careful not to risk slipping on the bank of the river. Ahmed. Look, there is smoke. There might be a village. Zainab. Hopefully yes, let's go there. We might be able to help there. Asterisk asterisk fourth view. Near the village asterisk asterisk. The 4 children walk along the river, approaching a small village. We found the way. We need to help the villagers. Muhammad. Yes, they can take us back to our home. Ahmed. Smiling I say that together we can make every difficulty easier. Zainab. That's right. If we support each other, no difficulty can defeat us. The 4 children happily move towards the village and celebrate their success. And the 4 children return to their home with the help of the villagers and remember the expedition as a memory.